Imagine a natural, affordable product, something you can buy for just a few dollars, that can soften wrinkles, lighten dark spots, fight acne, deeply hydrate your skin, strengthen your hair, and even stimulate hair growth. All of this, without harsh chemicals, without side effects, and with visible results in just a few days. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful solutions come straight from nature. Simple, pure, and time-tested. With consistency and care, castor oil can become a trusted part of your daily routine, helping you embrace your natural beauty with confidence and grace. Now, imagine that this same product contains a natural toxin that's 6,000 times more lethal than cyanide. Sounds terrifying, right? But it's true. However, understanding the science behind it helps put things into perspective. While ricin is indeed one of the deadliest natural toxins, the amount present in castor seeds is minuscule when properly processed and completely eliminated in the oil extraction. So, what sounds terrifying at first actually turns into one of nature's safest and most effective skincare treasures when handled correctly. Today, we are diving deep into the powers and potential dangers of castor oil, often called nature's Botox, used for thousands of years by ancient civilizations. And most importantly, I'll show you how to use it safely and effectively to transform your skin, your hair, and even stubborn scars. Whether you're new to natural skincare or looking to enhance your routine, mastering the right way to apply castor oil can unlock amazing benefits. From simple techniques to avoid common mistakes, I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently incorporate this ancient remedy into your daily self-care, achieving lasting results without any guesswork or risk. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because here, you'll find powerful natural remedies that actually work. Every week, I bring you tips backed by tradition, science, and real-life results, all designed to help you feel confident, radiant, and in control of your health and beauty and health. Don't miss what's coming next. Your skin, your hair, and your well-being deserve it. Let yes begin, because what you will learn today might just change your beauty routine forever. Castor oil is one of those ancient secrets that has stood the test of time. The Egyptians used it to hydrate their skin under the scorching desert sun. The Romans applied it as an anti-inflammatory healing balm. And now, modern science confirms they were onto something powerful. The key compound in castor oil is ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that penetrates deeply into your skin, locking in moisture and delivering intense hydration. This is what gives skin that plump, youthful, glowing look. Unlike many commercial creams that only act on the surface, castor oil works from the inside out. If you suffer from dry, flaky skin, fine lines, or even deeper wrinkles, applying a few drops of castor oil before bed can work wonders. This simple nightly ritual is like giving your skin a deep, nourishing drink, a moment of care it craves after a long day. As the oil penetrates deeply, it helps to restore elasticity, fade lines, and bring back that youthful glow you thought was gone. Imagine waking up and looking in the mirror to find skin that feels softer, smoother, and visibly renewed, without expensive creams, invasive treatments, or complicated routines. Nighttime is when your skin enters its natural healing cycle, and that's when castor oil does its best work. It also has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you're dealing with redness, sensitivity, rosacea, or inflamed acne, castor oil soothes, calms, and reduces swelling very well. Plus, it's antimicrobial, a powerful natural defense for your skin. That means it actively fights off harmful bacteria, yeast, and fungi that often go unnoticed but can be the hidden cause behind breakouts, persistent irritation, and even unpleasant skin odors. By restoring balance to your skin's microbiome, castor oil not only soothes inflammation, but also creates an environment where healthy skin can thrive. It's like a silent guardian, working in the background to keep your skin clear, calm, and protected, all without the need for harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients. Another fascinating use of castor oil is in treating old scars and hyperpigmentation. Think about those stubborn acne marks, stretch marks on your belly, or surgical scars that just won't fade. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E, beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, magnesium, and potassium, all of which support healthy skin renewal. Plus, its compounds may help stimulate collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. By applying it daily with circular motions for about 30 seconds, you gently encourage skin regeneration. Results may not be overnight, but with consistency, you'll start to see the difference. It's like a natural skin resurfacing treatment, without lasers, without acids, and without damage. Now let's talk about your hair, where castor oil truly shines. If you're struggling with hair loss, thinning hair, breakage, or even alopecia, castor oil can help stimulate the follicles and nourish the roots. It increases blood flow to the scalp, delivering nutrients directly to where they're needed most. Here's how to use it. At night, apply a few drops to your fingertips and massage it deeply into your scalp. The more vigorous the massage, the better the absorption. You can also apply it along the length of your hair to repair split ends, add shine, and prevent frizz. The next morning, simply wash your hair as usual and get ready to see a visible difference. Over time, your hair becomes thicker, more hydrated, and stronger. And it's not just about looks. Healthier hair means less breakage, fewer split ends, and better protection against daily damage from heat, pollution, and styling products. With consistent use, castor oil helps restore your hair's natural shine and elasticity, making every strand feel more alive. It's like giving your scalp a reset button, turning dry, tired hair into vibrant, resilient locks. And don't forget your eyelashes and eyebrows. A single drop, gently rubbed at the base of the lashes or brows, can lead to fuller, darker, healthier growth within days. This tiny act of self-care, done consistently each night, can transform sparse or overplucked brows and thin lashes into striking features that frame your face naturally. Unlike expensive serums filled with chemicals, castor oil nourishes the hair follicles with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, encouraging growth while preventing breakage. It's a simple ritual, but one that delivers powerful, visible results. Let's now talk safety, because yes, this oil comes from a seed that contains ricin, one of the most toxic substances in nature. To give you perspective, ricin is 12,000 times more toxic than rattlesnake venom. But here's the good news. Commercially prepared castor oil is completely safe. The ricin is removed during the extraction and filtering process, and manufacturers routinely test to ensure purity. Still, it's crucial to choose a high-quality product. Cold-pressed, hexane-free, hexane is a chemical solvent used in cheap oils, certified organic. Many people swear by Jamaican black castor oil, which is processed differently and has even more nourishing properties, especially for hair and scalp health. Its rich, dark color comes from the traditional roasting of the castor beans before extraction, a process that enhances its ash content, giving it a higher pH. This makes it more clarifying and effective at penetrating the scalp, helping to unclog hair follicles and promote stronger, faster hair growth. If you're struggling with thinning edges, bald spots, or a dry, flaky scalp, Jamaican black castor oil might be the game changer you've been searching for. A quick warning: if you're pregnant, avoid applying castor oil to your abdominal or pelvic area unless instructed by a healthcare provider. It may stimulate uterine contractions. And while castor oil is incredibly powerful, always remember that natural doesn't mean risk-free. Everyone's skin reacts differently, so before applying it widely, do a simple patch test on a small area. If you notice any redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use. Your skin deserves gentle, attentive care, and listening to your body is the first step to real healing. Castor oil has even more uses. It works as a natural makeup remover, especially when mixed with lighter oils like coconut or jojoba. It gently dissolves makeup while feeding your skin essential nutrients. Unlike harsh commercial removers that strip the skin's natural barrier, this gentle blend cleanses while hydrating, leaving your skin soft, supple, and refreshed. Plus, because castor oil has antimicrobial properties, it helps keep your pores clean and reduces the risk of breakouts, especially around the delicate eye area. It's skincare and self-care, all in one simple step at the end of your day. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. Just a few drops per day, literally pennies, are enough to transform your skin and hair. One small bottle can last for months. It's one of the few beauty secrets that's both powerful and accessible, proving that real transformation doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. So now I ask you, are you going to keep spending a fortune on chemical creams and synthetic treatments, or will you give nature a chance? Because sometimes the most powerful remedies are not found in a pharmacy, they're growing from the earth, waiting to be rediscovered. Castor oil is not just an ancient secret, it's a timeless ally for your skin, your confidence, and your well-being. If you've tried everything and nothing has truly worked, maybe it's time to return to the roots? Literally. If this video brought you value, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and drop a comment below. Have you tried castor oil before? What was your experience like? And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Every week, I bring you natural, effective, and science-backed remedies for your health, beauty, and well-being. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!